my gosh. Everything and breaking it, child. Hello, besties. Welcome back. If you're new here, I am Cheraye. Welcome. And today we're gonna unbox some PR packages. I thought that would be super fun. Welcome back to another vlog. Let's try this again. You guys, let me tell you what happened. I went to Alo and I went shopping, right? And then the next day they have a 30% off sale. I hate it when that happens. So I went online, ordered all my stuff, and then I'm taking this back because I got it for 30% off. But let me share with you what I got. For loungewear, I love Alo. So they have these new cargo pants that I did get. I wanted to get them in black so bad, and my guy was like, please try a different color. I hate different colors, you guys, but I do love this baby pink. I tried them on. I got them in a size medium. Now they're supposed to be oversized, but these are really given oversized. I tried them on and I was like, they look like a diaper sagging in the back a little bit. So I don't know, I might trade them for a small. A small is a 4 to 6 and then a medium is 8 to 10. Typically when I'm at my best, I can wear a size 6, but where I'm at right now is good too. I'm up between an 8 right now. Like an 8 and a 10 will be really baggy, just depending on the clothes and the fit, you guys, and the maker. It doesn't even matter, who cares? Anyways, yeah, but the thing of the story is, or the moral of the story is, the point that I'm trying to get to anyways, girl guy, is that after I left shopping, the very next day, Alo had their 30% off sale. So I'm gonna return all of this because I've already gone online and ordered all of this over again. And I got this pair of pants in a color black, and I'm gonna keep these pink ones as well. I looked at everybody try them on, and I looked at people wear them online as well, and they are a very big oversized pant, and that's what I got them. Y'all know I don't like tight fitted stuff. I don't like tight anything. Every now and again I could pull something off, but most of the time I like to be relaxed, very comfy. So yes, these I did get. They have the zipper on it. I'm not removing this part yet because I don't know if I'm going to keep it. I think I am, but they have the drawstring, and then they have the pocket on the side here as well. I love those type of pants. And then I got this like pullover because when we're traveling on the plane, I am always cold. I'm the girl no matter what. It could be 115 degrees outside. Somewhere in some part of the day, I'm gonna be like, I'm cold. So I love this. Y'all know I love a cream color. I'm a neutral beige cream. Did I mention nude? Pinky type of girl. So this is right up my alley. However, I did get this in a size large, and it's giving like too big. It's giving like sloppy big. Like there's a difference between oversized and then that just looks sloppy, and this is giving sloppy. So I might exchange this for a medium if they have it, or I'll swap it out for something else. We got something in the mail from FINERY. I believe these are all fragrances, which is super cute, right in time for Mother's Day. I don't know when you guys are going to see this, but this is super cute. It has all of the fragrances on here. The finest florals just for you. I'm not going to go through all of them, but I'll show you. This one is called Flower Bed. This is what it looks like. It's got Lush, Peony, Green Apple, Wild Blossom, and Wild Bamboo Leaf. I don't know if I have this one already. Oh, but the bottle is cute. I love this color. Thank you, FINERY, for sending this over. Let's see how it smells. Oh my gosh, that smells really good. It actually smells like something that I already have in my collection, but it kind of smells really good. Hold up. You know what? Not all the way. It kind of smells like Dolce & Gabbana D&G La Imperatrice 3. Go with it. I made that word up. Yeah, oh, this is so good. Okay, we'll go through one more. This one is called Madame, I believe. And this one has got Cream, Classic, Velvet, Orris, and Patchouli. Meet Me in Paris. So this is supposed to give reminiscence to Paris. So let's see what that's giving. This is what the bottle is giving. Super cute. I'm just loving the color pink right now, especially the pink of my nails. What is this giving? Oh, that smells very perfumey. Are these dupes of other fragrances? It smells good. I can't say that they are, but this is, it could just be the color in my head, y'all. That is how I'm set up and wired. This is giving a little bit of Donna Born and Roma, just a tad bit, not a whole lot. You guys, FINERY can be shopped at Target, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. So if you want to check these out, I'll have everything linked in the description box for you below so you can pick it up. Maybe you can use it as a Mother's Day gift or something to treat yourself to. Oh, okay, so here's the whole thing. Yes, enjoy one set of our favorite floral fragrances. This is a gift to you or your mom for Mother's Day. Oh, that is super, super cute. Okay, where is the box cutter? All right, let's open this up. What is this? Oh. I could tell my whole room is about to be a mess. I just finished my workout. Well, I've been finished my workout, and then I went and ran some errands, and then I came back home. Oh, this is from NARS. NARS. We love NARS. Oh my God, blushes. Blushes upon blushes upon blushes. Yes, darling. We love NARS over here. Oh, are these all new blushes? Oh, wow. Refillable and rechargeable. Yes, we are ready to go. And then what is this? Oh, Orgasm. I love this shade. Is this a lip color? Oh, lip shine. Oh, you guys know how I feel about lip gloss. I love it. Oh, this is a pretty color. Look at this color. You see that? That is such a pretty color. Let's swatch it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at that. It's like, I know you see it. Ooh, that is right up my alley. I love it. Thank you, NARS, for sending this over. I love their packaging. Ooh, I love a good sleek packaging. Do you see this? We love a good sleek packaging. Oh, and then this is a color here. What color is this? Oh, this is Orgasm. I don't know how this is gonna look on my skin tone. See, because that's how the blush looks. Do you see it there? I put it here. So it's like a minimal pinky wash. That's what it's giving, but it's cute. Oh, this is Teased. I used to love this color back in the day. I believe that was this color. So this is in the shade Teased. This is in the shade Sex Appeal. I wonder how that swatches. Let's see. And right now, you know, it's like summer, it's dewy. I have another color that will go perfect with this if I were to apply this as a powder on top. Dominant. I knew these were colors that I have had before. Oh, this is beautiful. I'm not gonna swatch this because I have this. It doesn't make sense to have two, so I'm gonna do a giveaway. Don't forget to leave a comment and stay tuned until the end of the video to hear more. Yeah, I knew I had some of these. I am going to keep this because this is going in a giveaway. The color is Dominant. The brand is NARS. They have very pigmented blushes. So if you have not had a chance to try them out, here is your chance. Now, I don't have Deep Throat, so I will be keeping this one, but all the ones that I have double of, I will give away. Let's try it out. Oh, that is pretty. Can you see the color there? See how it matches that nudie pink? This is what the color looks like. Orgasm Rush. This is a beautiful color. This is going in the giveaway. I already have it. It's like a brick reddish and it's got shimmer, so you don't need to put a highlight, even though I do, because it kind of gives remnants of a highlight already packed in with the blush. It's super gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I'm not going to touch it. I'm not going to swipe it. This is it here. This brick, and it has like a gold shimmer to it. Love this down. Every time I wear this blush, you guys, to be honest with you, I receive compliments. Orgasm Edge. I don't know what this is giving. I don't think I've ever even heard of this one before. Is this one new? I don't know. I don't have all their blushes, but I do have a lot of them because they're very pigmented and I absolutely love them. No, I don't have this one. This is Orgasm Edge. So I'm wondering if it's a little deeper. Oh, it's like a peach. Okay. It's like a peach vibe. I like that. Okay, blushes to play with for the summer. Here's another box. Let's open this up and see what it is. Oh, girl, that's all we need to do is cut ourselves. Oh, my favorite. Oh my God, I don't even know what it is. You guys just know that I love Fenty down, okay? Fenty is my absolute favorite. Okay. Chanel, Fenty, Dior. I mean, I got a lot of favorites, but Fenty is up there. Fenty, oh my gosh, is my favorite. Thank you from my Fenty fam. Oh, I love this. Look at this. Do you guys see that? We love it. And then it says Fenty all right here. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to get their latest one so I can try it out. They came out with a new one. I'll pop a picture in. I believe it's carried at Sephora now. Oh, I love this. Oh, this is their foundation brush. Their foundation brush is really good. I love it because it's angled. Do you see that? It's an angled brush and it's so dense. Oh my gosh. So you don't need a lot. Even the new Fenty skin tint, you can pack it on and it's just the skin tint, but it gives me like a full coverage. I do put 2 rounds on, but it's really good. Shout out to Fenty for sending this over. You know I love it. You know I love you down. Okay, Hey Bouquet. Can y'all please tell me what happened to the cocoa cleanser soap? The cocoa cleansing bar. I'm still waiting on it, but I do love this. So we did receive both of these. Hey Bouquet is perfect for spring, perfect for summer. This is the body wash. The other two are the body cleanser. This is the one that I'm using currently right now, and I'm super excited that they gave me a backup because I have been spraying this down. I wear this, oh gosh, all the time, especially in the house. So this is is really good. If you like that like hibiscus, floral, like juicy vibe type of fragrance mist, this is it. It's a fragrance mist. I believe you could put it all over the body. I would not put it in my hair because it doesn't say for hair. They do have a perfume hair mist from Fenty that smells really good. It does not smell like the Fenty perfume, but it does smell really good. So yeah, shout out to Fenty. Oh, what is this? Quit Whining. Oh, is this the blush? You know they came out with new blushes, right? I went to the launch for these. So this is what this looks like. This is called Quit Whining. And then this is what the applicator looks like. So you're supposed to just take this here and just dip it on your cheek. Let's see. Oh my God, it is very pigmented. Yeah, don't put too much of this. Do you see that? Yeah, that's the shade, that's the color. Very pigmented. Oh, that is pretty. No, straight no, no, no. They had a pink one that I wanted to see. Fire Papaya, that sounds like vacation. And this is the one that I wanted to try, Bo Peep, because it's a pink. And I love a good pink. I think this is it. This is called, it says Shake Well. Oh, it pays to read. Hello, it pays to read the directions. Oh yes, see, this is right up my alley. You see that pink there? That's what I'm talking about. I love this shade of pink. I love it. Okay, gorge. That is that. Okay, so that is from Fenty. Oh, this box is big. This is big. Phone, can I not be bothered? Hello? What is this? What is this? Oh, wait a minute. Hello? Oh my gosh. Guys. Okay, wait. How do I pick this up? Oh, this is, I have no idea anything about this really, but I have seen it online. This is from NYX. And I believe, did Megan Thee Stallion do something with this brand? Right? Am I making that up straight? Oh, God, I be seeing stuff. Fat oil body, drip and glow for everybody. Okay, fat oil, fat hydration, fat shimmers. Oh, I love a good shimmer now. You already know. Oh, is it body or is it makeup? Oh my gosh. Y'all thought I was playing. What'd that say? Fat oil body. Hello? I can't even put this in the camera. Oh, this looks like a good time. You know one thing about me, I love to shimmer and shine. And this looks right up my alley. Fat oil. I don't know what this is. Girl, you can't try everything on this same hand. Look at that. Do you see that? So maybe, oh yeah, that's gorgeous. Oh yes. Vacation, here I come. I'm not finna have no sleeves on. Shoulders are about to be out. Okay. Glazed up, shined up, oiled up, as they said. Oh my God, and it smells good. It smells like caramel too, like caramel and vanilla. Okay, let me play with this and then we'll run this back. But this, I love that. I put on way too much, but still. Thank you, NYX. I absolutely love it. You guys, there's some body sprays in here and all kind of stuff. I will be back to run it back. Let me play with it because I don't really know. I've never used it before, but I'm super excited. Thank you for sending this over. Hold on a second. Somebody's calling me. Hello? Hey, what's up? Anyways, it's Cinco de Mayo, so we gonna get some chips and guac. But anyways, you guys, that's not what we're here for. But yeah, that's everything I believe that I got that I have to unbox. I have some other stuff, but we'll unbox it later because this room is looking a mess. And I just really popped on to say hi to y'all and see what y'all was doing. And then I had all these boxes, so I figured why not open them and share them with you. I really love this. I'm really excited for everything in the PR. Shout out to all the brands who sent it over. And like I said, there's gonna be a giveaway because those two blushes, I already have those two. So I'm definitely going to gift them and give them away to one of you. All you have to do is leave a comment in this video saying, hey girl, I like to try whichever one. That's it, you guys. It's Cinco de Mayo. I'm going to hang out. You guys, I get my hair done tomorrow. I am so excited. It's been a long time because I haven't really been focused on my hair. I've been wearing hats, scarves, bandanas, headbands, you name it. I've been going to the gym. I'm back on track. I'm back locked in. I hate saying stuff. I'm not the kind of person that really likes to say stuff. I'm just like pop out and show. You know what I mean? I'm not really I'm gonna do this. Wait till you see this. I'm gonna be doing. You ain't gotta announce everything. You ain't gotta announce it. When you know what you're doing, just do it. It is, the proof will show for itself. It'll show. It'll show. You ain't gotta show everything. I'm leaving because y'all know how I get. I love you like I love cook food. Make sure you leave a comment in this video. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for spending a random vlog day with me. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.